Hey, all your viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, big old green and white box here. You already know we're going to take a look at something by CRKT. And you already know by clicking on that thumbnail, whatever, that is going to be the, oh boy, is that showing up there? Okay, I know I'm going to butcher this. The Shizuka Noh Ken. Shizuka? Yeah, if I said that wrong, guys, I'm really, really sorry, okay? But before we get too much further into the blade, you guys know I like to do this, especially with CRKT. They always include some kind of propaganda, and this one's a little advertisement for the M16-12 Zulu Lima Echo Kilo. Okay, so moving on as quick as we can, there is the blade. Now, we have brought some other ones by James Williams to the channel before. I believe this is the third blade that we've brought by him. So take a look right up here for a card for every single everyday carry blade we've ever brought to the channel. You're going to find two other outstanding ones by him in there. All of his blades, to me, kind of look the same, but I like what he does, and I like the really, really subtle differences, so I'm glad to have this one here on the channel. Alright, let's get into the fun stuff like we usually do. Now, like I said, it is a James Williams design. He is America's, premier prepper. He's an all-time great martial artist. He does a lot of great things in order to help people protect themselves and get ready in case something happens. Now, the name of this blade literally translates to hidden blade. Now, from what I understand... Oh, wait a minute, I'm getting too far ahead of myself. We'll get there in a moment. Sorry. Alright, it's got an overall length of 8.25 inches. The blade is 3.625 with a cutting edge of 3.50. And closed, it's about 4.5. It's got a very minor weight to it of 4.20 ounces. Now, some of his other ones I've brought, they weigh a lot in your pocket. This one doesn't, and I kind of like that. Now, from my understanding, okay, this is basically done in the Japanese Tanto style. The Osoruku... Okay, camera took a dump. So I'm going to back it up a moment. It's done in the Japanese Tanto style, the Osoraku, O-S-O-R-A-K-U style blade. It's basically like a samurai sword style, where it's designed to cut, penetrate, and keep going in. Now, from what I understand, this blade style was made famous by a 16th century samurai warlord. God, forgive me, I know I'm going to butcher this name. Takeda Shinjin. If I didn't mess that up, thank God. If I did, please forgive me. It's not my intention to bring disrespect to his name. As you can see, it does have a plain edge, and I couldn't really find a grind style anywhere, so I can't really give that to you. It does have the black corrosion-resistant finish on there. The steel is AUS 8, not AUS 8A, not any of that, just they say AUS 8. And I really love, I'm betting that's the name right there. I just love how he does that on his blades. He just pays tribute to that. Now, we do have a black-coated stainless steel frame. There is a single black textured G10 scale on one side. And I'll be honest, I get it. You want to save those extra little pennies and whatnot. But for me, for a fit and finish, I really would have loved some G10 on the other side. That's just me. Now, I'll be honest, it's got a frame lock. And it also has the lock system. I have totally forgotten about this because I hardly ever engage it. Now, the lock system is the Lake & Walker knife safety system. Basically, you move that forward. And hopefully you can see that little moving piece right there. Okay, basically what that does is prevent the frame lock from closing. It's like a secondary safety, a safety system for you until you disengage the thing, and then you can close her. Right there, it's engaged. Can't move. Move it back. No problem. Okay. Now, it does have the little thumb discs opener. And to be honest with you, I really haven't had a single... What is on my hand? Oh, well, whatever. I haven't had a single issue getting it open. I really haven't. With some of his other ones, I've had a slight issue. This one, no, not really. We do have a lanyard hole, and I had to gut the 550 cord to get it through, no problem. But it's no big deal. It's just to help you pull it out. So, now, you've got two ways that you can carry it. you can literally reverse the little pocket clip right there. So it's left hand, right hand carry, tip up only. And in case you're curious, yes, it is made in Taiwan. All right, now we're going to do some cut tests, okay? If you're brand new to my channel, we usually only do 3 of them, and they're really simple cut tests. Because overall, a lot of the stuff that I'm filming is just for your simple everyday carry. First one, heavy duty stock paper. Yeah, I kind of expected that. Yeah. No real problems, but... Okay. Yeah, trying to get that curly cue is almost impossible for me with this, but... And see how it's tearing that paper? Yeah, and it's picking up a lot, so that needs to be stropped. Okay, next up is your simple paracord. Alright, we're going to try a pull test. Little effort, but it went through. Not a lot, but it did go through. Now let's just try a simple slice test. Oh yeah, no issue. And our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Alright, let's go from back here. I kind of figured that might happen. Let's try that from just the front. Yeah, it's the way that blade is designed, if you notice. And that's a little better. But it's kind of like it pulls it in and it glides as it goes, but still. Okay. Other than the paper from before, I really don't see any fuzzies or anything from the ratchet strap on there. Yeah, I can tell just by going across it needs to be touched up a bit. That's literally factory fresh, but still. Okay. So, I did all the homework, all the background, all this fun stuff on this on October 14th, 2020. It's now filming of October 21st, 2020. So that's when all the prices and everything else are as of that point. Well, I should say as of that point of October 14th. I looked on Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. Amazon is going to run you $71.75. CRKT, a flat $140, and it is out of stock as of October 14th. In Blade HQ, it's $84.95. Blade HQ, it's been reviewed 7 times for a 5 out of 5 star rating. CRKT, it's got a 4 out of 5 star rating with 4 reviews. And over on Amazon, it's been reviewed 69 times for a 4.2 out of 5 star rating. And to be honest with you, I did check all the other James Williams blades, and they have different review numbers, so it's not like they took all of his blades and piled them into one, like they have done on other blades from other companies. Now, with that being said, we're at the fun part of this video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. Do you think this one's a noise or an F-bomb? Noise or an F-bomb? I like it. I've been carrying it. I now know I have to touch it up a bit with some stropping and maybe a couple passes over 1,000 grit stone. And that should easily clean up that little bit of problem I think I was having. But who knows? But that's part of the fun. I want to know what your thoughts are down below. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there, and I'm grateful you're giving me that time. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below in the comment section what I can do to earn your subscription, and let's see how we can change the course, the history of this channel. Well, yeah, the course of the history of this channel. Anywho, after you guys have done all that fun stuff, take a look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Ugh. Sorry, lunch. Whew. Well, that's going to allow YouTube to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we all know and love on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the, oh God, here we go again. Shizuka Noh Ken by James Williams. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope all of you are having an incredible day today. You're being safe, and we'll see you in the next video.